Hello friends, hope you are doing well. I am Dr. Milind Chinde, MD Pediatrics from AIIMS Bhopal. So NEET PG 2022 is approaching. It is scheduled on 12th of March 2022 and exactly 100 days from today. So today I am making this video to just check on whatever preparation we have done till now, whatever strategies we are following till now. And some students still have some confusion, still some doubts, anxiety, nervousness about the exam. And what should be our plan further, like not to commit the same mistakes that will affect our rank. So today's video will be, it will be discussed under a few headings. That will be what we should be the source and videos. Like a lot of students are following the video lectures and having difficulty solving that. Then there is a lot of already said about previous year MCQs. So how should be the approach and how many previous year MCQs should one go for? Also about the grand test, that how many should give in these 100 days and how should we assess? And also last about image based questions and few golden rules I will tell at the end that you must follow. So guys, first let's talk about very important point, that is source. I'm sure all of you now by this time you must have finalized your source. So your source must be the main notes. Lot of students are going for revision notes or some rapid revision notes or videos. So these are rapid revision notes or videos. Guys, let me tell you something. These rapid revision notes and videos, if you read the description, they are actually based on previous year MCQs. So they are the material and the topics related to the previous year MCQs, the discussion about it. So it's a kind of filtered material. So there is a high chance that you might miss very important points if you solely depend on these kind of thing. So your source ideally should be main notes. Whichever class you are following, there we have a number of classes, all have excellent teachers. So it doesn't matter which class you are going to follow. If it's not in your class notes, probably most of the students don't know it because everything is given in the class notes. Don't look at the size of the notes, don't count the pages, because that is not going to help you, that is not going to matter. Whatever you have, just try to finish that. A lot of students are comparing with their friends. My friend is having this note and they are very thick, and the notes which I have are very small. But guys, at least try to finish what you have. See, what I want to say, one line, that don't, if you're looking at someone else's material, don't look and compare how much he has. Just see if you have enough. You don't have to be as many notes as he have. You should have enough that is needed for the exam. And I'm telling you the same point again and again. Your main notes are enough. Any class notes, I'm not saying in particular, any class notes are enough. What you need is a good read and good revisions. So your focus should be on those. Now, students who are thinking that NEET PG is very close, there are just 100 days and notes. I don't think that I'm going to cover and I will be able to finish these notes. Guys, I have released important topics videos, and these not important topics which I have just thought by any chance. These are based on previous year MCQs and also by the last 10 years question patterns, and also about a lot of classes they have also released. So it's all the, I have compiled everything and released these important topics. So at least try to cover them from your main notes, not from the revision notes, so you don't miss on important topics. Because question might not repeat, but these important topics will come again and again. Even when I wrote my PG entrance examination and when I see the recall questions, I still wonder that they are still asking the similar kind of questions, and everything looks so familiar because even after 3 years the pattern haven't changed. The kind of questions that you are getting are still the same. The only thing is, don't leave your main notes, don't go for any rapid revision or anything else, because it is going to harm you. You will just do a shallow reading, and lot of things will go on unregistered in your mind, and you know the competition we have in NEET PG. So anything that you miss, anything that you do wrong is going to harm you. Second thing, again, I want to emphasize on a point, that why reading main notes is important. Because guys, our NEET PG 2022 2021 counseling is yet to begin. They have not even given the date. So there is a slight chance, I'm not saying for 100%, so there is a slight chance that NEET PG 2022 might get postponed by 1 or 2 months. There is a high chance, because if the NEET PG 2021 counseling is going to start in mid Jan or end of Jan, by March, I don't think all three counseling and open counseling will happen. So definitely there will be some delay. So if you the read just rapid revision notes or videos now, you will be at loss here. If it get postponed, you will be at loss, because even in if in February you get a notification that exam been postponed by 2 months, you will be at loss, because even you are staring at these 2 months and you will say, I still don't have time to read my main notes, and you will again go for the same thing, and it is going to harm you. But if you read your main notes, then you will have these extra 2 months. Also, guys, I am telling again and again that don't just target NEET PG 2021 2022. Also, INI CET and INI CET both sessions, June session and November session. You have to target both. And if you're going to read your main notes, it will help you here and here. I have saying this thing that in 1 year there are 5 to 6 exams. So a lot of students are going to go out of the competition. A lot of students are going to take exam in the previous exam that happened. Like a lot of people will take CET in NEET PG 2021. A lot of people will take CET in INI CET 2021, which happened in November. So a good chunk of students will go out. Then there is a lot of number of students, they will take seat from NEET PG March 2022. So for INI CET June and November session, there will be a less competition. So don't harm your preparation by just going for rapid revision mode. Don't listen to this. See, revision, there is a word revision. You know what does revision means? It means to revise what you have read before. How can you read revision notes for the first time? So don't fall for these things. Don't go behind this. Your source should be your main notes, and that is you have to revise. You can just go through the important topics. You have to do your rapid revision from your main notes, not that someone else has prepared for you. This is going to waste a lot of time for you. So guys, again and again, I am reminding you this thing, the importance of main notes. If you have prepared some notes, if you have a mixed material, like you have some notes from Marrow, some from DAM, some from eGurukul, some from PrepLadder, it's acceptable. But do not take multiple sources for a single subject. You can have different notes for anatomy, different notes for physio, but don't read PrepLadder, Marrow, and DAMs for anatomy, like everything for anatomy. I agree that a lot of toppers give interview on every platform. So you guys might get misguided that maybe they do all the classes, but you know the part of it. So don't get misguided by that. Just stick to your main notes. If you think that suppose you feel that your pathology notes are not enough, you can get a review book, or you can get a different class notes for that. It's still not late to start from the notes again. You can finish that till mid January. From mid Jan till mid Feb, you can do your first revision, and last 20 days you can dedicate for the last rapid revision. So that should be your approach. Now coming to the this group of students who are watching videos, whose source is video classes, who are doing this video classes. See guys, if you watch interviews and all, and I'm telling from my experience also, ideally it takes 6 to 8 months to prepare for any exam. A lot of students, they have started in November and they're saying, sir, we have only 3 to 4 months, so how should we do it? So guys, if you, it's a mammoth task. If you have to finish the portion that was supposed to be in 6 to 8 months in 3 to 4 months, that is not going to be very fruitful. And the kind of competition we have in NEET PG exam, if you hurry, if you read superficially, you are going to spoil your all chances. You are going to spoil your chances for NEET PG, INI CET, June session and November session both. So what I trying to tell you, whenever you are joining the video classes, I mean, if you are still attending the video classes, you don't have to see all the videos. Like for subject like anatomy, forensic, so like Dharma, radio, I don't think there is any need to watch these videos again and again. No doubt, subject like medicine, maybe like surgery, which you are to find difficult to understand, maybe like opta, path, pharma, which you don't understand. Again, biochemistry. I don't think there is any need to see videos for biochemistry, pharma, then microbiology again. What is the need of video? You have to read, you have to revise. And you know, guys are, I mean, sometimes it literally surprises me that people are so much worried about these video classes that they sometimes feel that they are MBBS students. Guys, videos are to clear your concept. There is no magical thing in the videos. Videos are there to help you understand. This is what we did in our MBBS, right? So whatever you have skipped in MBBS, whatever you don't remember, or there are some things that you don't remember from your MBBS, for that watch your videos. So be very selective for your video classes, because you don't have a lot of time. The subject and the topics that you find difficult to understand, and you have missed or not taught in your college during MBBS days, go for those subject. Go for videos. Don't see videos for each and everything. It is going to be a lot of waste of time. So trust your intelligence. In your exam, it's not only you are not going to remember what you read during these 3 4 months. You are going to remember from your MBBS days also, whatever you have seen, whatever you have read, whatever you have heard, everything is going to help you. So guys, don't waste a lot of time on video lectures. It's not wise.